Hi, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and go to the sounds and vibration section. Now you can see here the ringtone. Just to change the volume, swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side, that doesn't matter. And now the second way, that's just with your finger press on the volume buttons, and as can you see, you can change it. Also you can just tap here on the volume on the three dots and just with your finger to change the volume of your ringtone or the medias. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.